Hi John, today I would like to share updates about the long distance Tuya WiFi Intercom solution. As you can see, this is the converter. The engineer has improved the converter size and its design much better than before, right? Okay. Connect to the outer station, and here this one is for the indoor monitor. Now we're testing with 150 meters long with Cat5e cable. Now let's go. And we have tested both the video quality and the communication quality. They are as good as those short distance even with coaxial cable. The video quality is not affected by such long distance. And then let's even the video quality on the app. It can support talk with the outer station and release the door lock.
The door is open. Please come in. The door is open. Please come in.
Okay, the samples are ready now, and the converter are ready. I will deliver to you as soon as possible.